Birdcall in the morning. Kids laughing far away. A dog breathing slow. And somewhere green is growing. There's Zenit. Birdcall in my head. Fog fades out.
Sun makes me wake.
Moon holds time. Green thread, stitch by stitch. Birdcall in my head. Birdcall in my head. Birdcall in my head. And the fog falls back. Sun wakes my blood, moon keeps me on track. A plant like the truth, it grows without fight. You call it a problem, I call it time. And I say it once, so you feel it move. Back to life. Kids on the playground, chalk on the street. And you write on papers till a heart turns receipt. Cat on the wall, quiet eyes, no blame. But you build your rules like a cage with a name. Birds of a rooftop, three in a ring. No contract, no program, no proof this thing. You say it for your good, but your good is a deal. You sell us calm every day like it's real. Not everything that numbs will set you free. Not everything that shines is honesty. When my mind gets sharp, your lies get small. And systems get loud when we stand tall. Birdcall in my head. And the fog falls back. Back to life. Pills on a schedule. Take this as law. But side effects eat you behind the door. Nature isn't an enemy. Nature is a choir. Listen, and your vision comes back clearer. Hear the dog in the grass, hear the horse in the wind, hear the bee in the field, hear the laughing kid. No judgment in the sound, no stamp in the tone, just life saying, you're not alone, come home. Birdcall in my head, birdcall in my head, and the fog falls back. Sun wakes my blood, moon keeps me on track. A plant like the truth, it grows without fight. You call it a problem, I call it time. And I say it once, so you feel it move. Back to life.